Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Hyundai i30 hatch, stock reference number 5232. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, auto fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.